It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Woofy the dog. Morning, Lolly the lamb. There's Honk the car. There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Swoosh Swoosh. What's Woofy doing? Asks Honk.
I think Woofy's trying to bite his own tail,
says Swoosh Swoosh. Look at what Woofy can do. Woofy can bite his own tail. There's Toot the boat.
Good morning, everybody. What is Woofy doing?
Asked Toot. Honk told Toot what Woofy was doing.
Please, can I try?
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Can Lolly the lamb reach her own tail? Look, the rabbits are also trying. Your tails are too short, explains Honk.
Why don't you show us something else you can do?
Says Toot.
Let's try and touch our noses with our elbows,
calls Floppy. What funny rabbits. No one can touch their nose with their elbow, Toot chuckles.
Who can bite their own ears?
Asked Toot. Lamb and Woofy can't bite their own ears. Their ears are too short. The rabbits have very long ears. Their ears can easily reach their mouths.
Look at me! I can touch my nose with my long tongue,
says Lolly the lamb. You must have the longest tongue in all of Springland, says Honk. I have the longest tongue in Springland, announces Croak proudly. Croak the frog has the longest tongue in Springland. Toot, what can you do that's very special? Asks Honk.
Hey, everybody, look what I can do,
calls Swoosh Swoosh. It was Honk's turn to show everybody he could also do something special. Honk and Lolly had the best surprise of all. They can make music together. Have fun, everybody.